Today is Saturday, February 17th. This is the 1969 Cadillac DeVille tilt and telescopic steering column from my friend Joe in California. This is steering column number 2, restoration number 2, that is. And this is the sub-assembly breakdown, showing the units having been fully serviced, resprayed in the original number 10 sable black. And I'm going to be doing a functional validation test as the follow-on video once I do the final assembly of the full embodiment. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the steering wheels, these tilt and telescopic steering columns, power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, February 16th. Thank you very kindly. 17th. Thank you.